Tip number 4. Position the jaw correctly. This tip is also helpful to stop the tongue falling back into the throat. You shift the lower jaw slightly forward with the help of an anti-snoring mouthpiece. This also automatically pulls the tongue forward. The airway in the throat stays open and you can sleep and breathe without any obstruction. The market is absolutely teeming with anti-snoring mouthpieces. They always consist of a mouthpiece for the upper jaw and one for the lower jaw. You can also find suitable products using the search term mandibular advancement device. Just give it a Google or have a quick search in the Somni shop.